Hey guys, Mustache Man. I'm gonna make a new laptop holder carry case for my daughter who got a new laptop. So I bought some leather. I have some tools right here, and I'm going to try and attempt to recreate this. First thing I'm going to do is make sure I have the right size of leather. So I'm going to measure it first of all, and it measures 13 inches and an eighth wide. And then the next section is 9 by 13 and 3/8. So that's going to be 22 and 3/8. So now we want to find a nice piece of leather. Thinking about this piece right here, and make sure that there's no damage to it. Nope, good. Nice and straight. And, that was good. I'm not sure I liked cutting it with the shears. See how straight I was? Not bad. A little bit wide right there. There's a bit of a belly. But in the hole that went okay. So I'm just going to use a razor blade like this. I want to make sure that I am straight. All right, I'd say that worked out really well. Very nice. So that works really well. Okay, see how the bottom is done. So the bottom actually comes in so that you can grab your computer and bring it out. That would be on this side, which means we're going to flip it around right here. Just like that. Now we need to fold this, crease it. Need to get our camber. There we go. Because we folded it and then we did our camber, we have a matching edge right there. So we're going to do the same thing over here. So far, I've used a knife, a small square, straight edge, an alm tool, just a marking tool. I didn't need those. I have used that, and a battery. So we do need to figure out this top section. We need to cut that now. So we still need 13 and 3/8 by 3.5. There we go. Look at our top section now. Matches up pretty good. There. Yeah. Alright, here we are. There's our pouch. Now for the stitching. So I'm using this fork right here to make the holes for my stitching. So I'm just lining it up. And then I'm using the last hole to put the next one in. Then I have a single punch right here for the corners. There we go, that's everything done. Front and back. I started in this top corner. I'm just going to go down to this edge first and stop there. And then I'm going to do the top all the way around the top, and then I'm going to do the back side as well. Alright, I'm going to keep going and I'll show you what it looks like. Right, here it is. So, same size, stitching, took me a while. I might just clean up the edges a little bit and just make sure that they're really close to each other. I still need my clips right there, but I think it looks good. Stitching's all good. It's not, the corners look good right there and there. And then I put my daughter's name on there, just stamped it in. And then I also put a little pocket in here for an air tag. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, consider subscribing and thumbs up. But I'll get you on the next one. Okay, bye.